Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, let's take an in-depth look on the 1995 Ford Ranger XLT. Just popped up in my head to do a tour. And today I'm going to give you a full and in-depth tour on the Ranger. I'm going to start it up, show the engine, and show you the inside and the outside. Nothing really to see on the inside. We're going to see if it starts without a boost. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, not let it run for horribly long because it's got really no gas, but there's a key for it. Base model key, nothing special. Gray exterior, dark gray. You got gray cloth interior. It's got 230,504 miles. Wipers did not work, so see if it starts without a boost, because it didn't last time. Here we go. Oh, sweet. Yeah, you have to get the clutch in the right place. Horn does not work. Hazards. Alright, it's got a 5-speed manual transmission. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. I'm going to shut it off after the walk around. Oh, they're working. They're crappy. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and flip on the headlights. Hazards. Check out the exterior, shall we? Everything works. The lights are even working. As you can see here. Yeah, one guy headed up the tires for us. Very nice guy. You got your tires here. Yeah, it's a base model truck, and it's got 2016 gas. Runs really good, actually. It's running pretty good. Priming it makes it run better, so. Got your fuel door and fuel cap. Just as simple as that. The other tire, it's starting to get rust here, but it's actually not horrible rust. Still got the other plates on it from the last guy who had it. This is the shop here, so everything still works. That's when it was last on the road. Oh, one license plate light's burnt out. Tailgate. Everyone knows how it works on a pickup. I did not have to boost it. Still got a ball in the back. Hitch. I love that exhaust sound. Yeah, it's got a broken light right here, but it still works. There's not really any rust on this side. Not really any rust at all. Throw down this window. So, since it's really nice, the air does not work on it. Got your Ranger right there. Anyways. Yeah, there's no gas. Go ahead and show the engine. The hood's already popped. You have to really slam it to get it to close. It's got a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. I tightened up the battery terminals. It's good. Rev it up a tiny bit. Sounds nice. It's got a good motor in it. Not bad at all. It's running way better than it was before. I think I'm going to shut it off after I'm done with the inside because I don't need to leave it running, plus the air don't work, and plus it's nice out. Listen to how nice it's running right now. Manual windows, manual locks. Sure you brake, but it doesn't work. Headlights, interior lights don't work either. Key comes out. You push this to shut it off. AM radio, cassette player. It says 1208 because it's, well, it's not the right time. Nice. Yeah, the compressor on the air doesn't kick on, but I'm just going to see if it gets cool. Like I said, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all the way over, down is reverse on the right. Yeah, the air does not work at all. But, got climate control right here. That's your fan speed, temperature, different zones. Power outlet, I don't know if it works. Vents work. Let's try the defrost. Nice. Wipers. Okay guys, I don't want to run out of gas, so okay, let's shut her down. You also got your you got other power outlet. Doesn't work. Well, it's broken. Ashtray right there. You got your center console, which is broken as well. Let's check out the rest of the truck. Show you the tailgate one more time. This is gonna be a good video. Might be a little bit quicker, but who knows? Who cares? I mean, it's just a truck. It's just a base model truck. I just try to see the key cut. We're just going to make sure it starts back up, because that battery was at 9 volts when I plugged it in, and it wasn't plugged in that long, and it died, so it did not have to have a booster when I did the tour. But go check out all the clutch issues on this thing. It's a nice pickup, though. I love it. It's got a good motor in it. You got your glove box, had no owner's manual, whistle. Wait, the tire caps. We gotta see if we got a tire. We still got power though, and you also got. You can put your key in here, but it does not work in the glove box. Just the ignition. So, and you also got this too. I forgot to show you. Also got a handle on this side, just one handle. I'm not moving it. Missing cap. I'll just put it there. Okay, guys. There's your mirrors right there. That's your fuse. There's no mirror on here, but let's see if it starts back up. It should. All the way pushed. You can't do that. Just slow it off a little bit. Yeah, I knew it would. You can't push it all the way because it does not start. Nice. I did put a tested outlet though. Just make sure all the vents work. Yep. Yeah, they all work. All the settings seem to work too. Try the feet in the face. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. all the freaking settings still work. I mean, come on, man. That's awesome. That's the Leaf. Oh my god, man. What can you beat that? Compressor might have kicked on, actually. Those wipers are no good. Everything works on this truck. Yeah, 230, 504 miles. Well, let's shut the truck down. We're gonna keep the windows down. I might do another. Alright. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth look on the 1995 Ford Ranger XLT. I know it was a little bit different, but yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video on it. Stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Have a good rest of the day, everyone. I'm gonna hook the booster up. Whoa. Have a good rest.